Make your presentation points more interesting by doing it like this. Open a new presentation and insert a rectangle shape to fill the entire slide. Reduce the rectangle's width to fill exactly a quarter of the slide. Just divide the whole width by 4 to calculate. Then remove the outline of the rectangle. Insert the text box that contains text for one point in the presentation. Center the text in the middle using guidelines. I will use the text lorem ipsum as an example here to show how it can look. Now you are ready to set the text's font, size, and color. Use the size that is easily readable for the audience and color that is in contrast with the background. The next step is to insert an image. It should be in SVG format so that its color and size can be easily changed without losing quality. The image size should be half the of the rectangle width, and the image should be also centered in the middle using guidelines. Next, change the color of the icon to match the text color. Now is the time to add an arrow. Insert a triangle shape and rotate it by 90 degrees. It is important to insert the triangle after the content is in place. Otherwise, it would be difficult to center the content in the middle of the rectangle. When both shapes are ready, merge them together in the Shape Format section using Option Union. Everything from the first point is ready, so let's put it together. Select all parts, right-click on them, and group them. Copy-paste the group 3 times and fill by them the whole slide. Let's arrange them so the arrow of every group is visible. Go from left to right and send every group into the back. To change the shape background color for every group, open the selection pane. Select the background shape whose name starts with freeform shape and change the fill color from darkest to lightest for every group. I am going from dark blue to light blue. You can also adjust the colors to contrast more with the text. Everything is set and it's time to duplicate the slide. Press Ctrl+D to do it. In the first slide, move all points behind the first, while they will slightly stick out. Select the second slide and open Transitions. Choose the Morph animation and adjust the duration. Let's preview the presentation to see how it works. And now more refined version. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, press the thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in next video.